Do you want to save hours building funnels? GoHighLevel lets you clone entire funnels in seconds. Let me show you how. Go to your Funnels tab. Now, pick the funnel you want to duplicate, whichever one it could be, and hit the Clone Funnel button. That's the magic button. You can copy it inside the same account or even move it to another sub-account instantly. No rebuilding needed. Once cloned, swap out the branding, update your copy, and your funnel is ready to launch fast. And that's how you clone funnels in GoHighLevel in just a few clicks. Perfect for agencies, coaches, or anyone scaling fast. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more videos like this. See you on the next video.